Etiefo assembly esi na assembly ase boy hu kan ebia na wanko kan ye now Mr. Mo and your first time or subscribe and click the notification bell on the so am I eno na da screen so sis ha no oya na say latest news bia ba wonsa ebeka na assembly ni na NSA Kwewu Traditional Council wo mo abane NDC na wo mo asanso a order say 2 radio stations bia belonging to the NDC no yen closing it down na nini na no member radio stations natural na matro de ntia wo mo abane omo. Recently there was a video going viral meaning say munya video ni bia hia of NDC phobia na say Eastern region wo mo ekogina insio bi ho ana wo mo bodua say registration ayeye MPP for akwa nkrofo every different places yedi omo abegum say wo mo enye voters registration na nini na emu no NDC for wo mo fele say action na wo mo beteki no say wo bekwa kogina insio ho abodua. Now baby a wo mo kogina ebodua no wo Kwewu asase so Kwewu land na it is under the Kwewu Traditional Council. Na one thing NSA oko Kwewu a na Traditional Council na declare say we obi a wo Kwewu na o hye ana what Kwewu man so you live on the Kwewu land, you are a resident on the Kwewu land, there are some things you can't do na nyama eni kwan say wo ye NSA duabo uti Kwewu no will be do boni a find the appropriate authorities or the appropriate person to speak or to talk about your matter to. Menya wadwen say wo kwa akobodu anti ya ade akwewufo no kra no wo mu chinduabo from the Kwewu Traditional Council, and it is something I support. Ya ade me support pa, I mean because mama wati ase say Ghana has say until say ye laws for those spiritual way no eduabo ebekum nkrofo bebre esen say wo bi atwese kan edi ekum obi aden wo bi twese kan say wo di kum obi a ye chi nipa ko ni tum nanso wo bi bodua na yangase yenim wo bodua na nipa ko ni wo a yentumi nchi nipa ko no entum ni nina ne say eni ye mremu nti Kwewu asase de wo mo so wo mo de wo mo aba ne duabo unim na wo bodua one Traditional Council for no e wo bi ka na eno na NDC for ekobodua e na Kwewu Traditional Council for ba no beka say maza na mo ye asase so na mo ba be bodua mo forget the mo ye no and ye to nsa from they were summoned by the Kwewu Traditional Council ye to nsa from say wo mo mbra na nkrofo ye to nsa from no NDC the party regional communications officer I friend Dallas Williams, deputy regional youth organizer one also your friend Sidi Bello, and Daniel Laboaje no or your former youth organizer, and some other few people, and these people were the people who were seen in the video actually cursing ewo Kwewu asase so na baby a wo mokobodua no insua e friend no River Trado semambo insua ni din ya Mr. Monfa encheme na ewo nkoko ena tresensuo yi ewo ena womo eko invoke curse on persons allegedly or alleged to be importing people or passing people into the constituency by the MPP for the ongoing voters registration. Na the NSA bia the Traditional Council sorry ya ena womo ebe bane NDC for senior medin country no omo so omo to nsa frɛ NDC executives no NDC executives no biamba nkofo mu hu omo wo video ni so omo bodua no to nsa frɛ omo obiamba say total disregard to a year ohene no ene the Kwewu Traditional Council. No one came, the all didn't go na eho ene say okay say NDC radio stations bi ewo ho na NDC radio stations no na NDC for no ekotenase ekasa. Now what they said and they say the former Eastern Emrana Mahama Wohono, the former Eastern Regional Secretary, your friend no Mark Oliver Kevo, me sure so what in the that Mark Oliver Kevo. Now Mark Oliver Kevo only a radio station on their land. Into Omutonsa efre ono Mark Oliver Kevo no ene NDC fo bi se mo de mo mbra bo mo mfi o mo behwa ne se wo mo se Mark Oliver Kevo no wakwa akotena ni radio station ne so ena wo mo erane the Kwewu Traditional Council down to say ye kasetia wo mo na mo say na mo ayade asabi etia ye customs and etia the customs of the land, we the custodians that didn't tia ya sase ni ye frɛ mo say mo mbra mo say mo mba na mo asanso akotena mo radio station so egu ye hu fin and the sade a mo radio station no ye ba ne no. Now let me read the statement a Kwewu fo no Traditional Council no wo mo edebetu dwa na ye nti asem na ase ye na embre wo ho a we read comments for you guys. So say we take we take a strong view of his conduct. You, Mark Oliver Kevo, we summoned you before the Traditional Council, but you refused to show up. You then go and sit on your radio stations, which are located on Kwewu land, and run us down. It was say, dear woman ya nenye, omo tonsa friend Mark Oliver Kevo wamba, omo beti ane se ni radio stations abo oni ewo Kwewu asase so no, wakwa akotena so, na wo kase tia ahemfo no abo mo tonsa friend no. Now we know the chance say we order that the two stations belonging to Kevo, Okwewu FM and Afram FM, be closed down by 12 p.m. today. If the stations continue to operate beyond the stipulated time, we will advise ourselves. The Omo can say by 12 radio stations no, I will say you're closing it down. Okwewu FM and Afram FM no. Now by 12 o'clock, we will closing it down. One more ahemfo no, one more nimdia one more beye. Na se ahemfo kan kasa bi se ya na unim se at the end no sabe enye adie bi a wanhwe ne ye se wenkotia ensi ye, because one thing in Ghana I can tell you for a fact, people respect their chiefs and kings even more than the president of the land. One fact, and no. People respect their kings and chiefs even more than the president of the land. Okwa asante memwa, ubedi mi adansi ye. Untumi nkwa kasentia eye asante henesa. Wasobe ya she. But ebia obetumi akokumase akwa ye politics akasetia Akufo-Addo. Ebia wobi enye den wonya ohwe. Ba untumi ntrem se obetumi akwa kasa etia asante hene. Ye ntwe emma. Inti eno ene nsem atrese bobo ba nkrofo etre wo mo adwen wo so. Inti sa ahemfo sha asese wo mo kasa sa na normally no it will not end well. Inti eno unti wo mo abane the NDC. Na wo mo bane NDC no, wo mo asanso abane these two NDC radio stations. You see ahemfo no mimi susu say yes. O asase so anase o oman bi so ana wotina wo bi asase so na nipa ko no wo chin enyama bia eni kwan se wo ye. It as simple as that. But Mr. ahemfo no, but you see ahemfo no kra no wo asem ye do. Ahemfo no wo asem ye de. But akwa say because of a group wo belonging to just the district and the constituency NDC NTCC ano won say affected the whole national NDC. Ahemfo no de wo asem ye de. NDC me, I don't know why they didn't go, but tea. Nanka me sure say wo mo ko hu ahemfo na nanka on betumi atretre mu atre ahemfo kra ne say ni se nanka e bia ahemfo ne kra betena se ama asem no wo mutumi ayeden aka ne yie mutie de meka ne yie e bia nanka ahemfo no betumi atena se ma asem no wo mo aka ne yie. But at this point in time asem ayeka ene say asem bia no eye nipa no ene ka sebe Nyankopon kra nipa tumi ye ne bone ama Nyankopon take decision ama nipa bompa ama Nyankopon kra sesa na adwen. Iti misusu se NDC for no they know what to do. NDC mpanyufo bebre wo ho a wo mo frikwewu a trese wo mo ewo the national level. Se constituency level no, if in quotes they've messed up the relationship between the Kwewu Traditional Council and the NDC. I think it's time say NDC mpanyufo wo more the national level wo mo Kwewu no. It's time say wo mo so ede omo ho bajim na wo mo ne ahemfo no akwa kasa na settle asem no, because isi ano yabane NDC ewe kwewu untumi enko disrespect asase because ahemfo no dey masa ya onim ohene dey oni ohene betwe you know we know the way our culture is and this oni ohene etwe you Charlie, you know win. So they should just sit down and talk about the matter. Montra mo comment box me for me last.